In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Gmail account. Let's walk through it together from start to finish so you can set it up confidently and avoid common hiccups. Start by opening your web browser and going to gmail.com. If you land on a sign-in page, look for the option to create a new account. You can also go directly to Google's account creation page. Click Create Account, then choose whether the account is for personal use, for business, or for a child. Pick the option that best matches how you plan to use the account. This affects certain settings and recommendations you'll see later. Next, enter your personal details. Type your first and last name as you want them to appear in your account. Add your date of birth and your gender. Now choose a Gmail username, which will become your email address. If your first choice is taken, Google will suggest alternatives. You can try variations, like adding a period or numbers that are easy for you to remember but not tied to sensitive personal information. Create a strong password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Aim for something long and unique that you don't reuse on other sites. Re-enter the same password to confirm. You'll also see an option to add a recovery email. This is optional but highly recommended, as it helps you reset your password and secure your account if you ever get locked out. You may be asked to verify your phone number. Enter an active mobile number so Google can send you a verification code. When the code arrives, type it in to confirm your number. On some devices, you may be able to skip this step, and in some cases you might see an option to scan a QR code to verify your mobile number. If verification is requested, completing it helps with security and account recovery. Before proceeding, review Google's terms of service and privacy policy so you understand how your information is handled. When you're ready, click I agree to accept and continue. That's it, your Gmail account is created. You can access your inbox right away in your browser, and if you're on a phone or tablet, you can use the Gmail app to sign in and start sending and receiving messages immediately. For added protection, consider turning on two-step verification after you sign in. This adds a second check like a code or prompt to help keep your account safe even if someone learns your password. You're all set. Enjoy your new Gmail account and the tools that come with it.